Hi guys, today I have a very interesting device with me. With this, you can shoot 200 megapixel photos. You will get some stunning images as well. 5000 milliampere battery, charging less than 30 minutes. Edge will glow when you receive any notifications. Some pre-designed short video formats. Steadicam you can enable, 4K video you can shoot, and many more functions including with this device. Yes, this is Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus 5G. So how is this device? Is the specs meets our expectations? Let's find out in this insight video. Welcome back to FreeBet Studio. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. Let's begin the video. In 2024, Xiaomi launched 5 variants of Redmi Note 13 series and today we are focusing on the flagship. The specs I'll display you on the screen. So it's very attractive. So let's find out how good the specs to use day-to-day life. Design and build. The Note 13 Pro Plus 5G, very satisfying and looks very premium size. Glass backed luxury, very nice. 240 gram of weight. It didn't feel weight at all. You can use it comfortably. Another thing I really like is the two-tone design in the back. A glossy coating around the cameras in the flash and the matte finish, very much limiting your fingerprint. It looks like a perfect hybrid device we are holding. But there are two other variants also available. That is Moonlight White and Aurora Purple. So the Midnight Black is very much attracted to me. Grippy enough to use, case free guys. To cover up this beautiful design, it comes with two covers. The rubber one, the hard one, really hard. So definitely it will protect your device. And this also having a good grip here. It completely covers the aluminum frame here in the outside. It is running through here. It's not covering the curved edges. That is one good thing. Simply the design and the build quality is stunning guys. 0.7-inch AMOLED screen, Corning's tough Gorilla Glass Victus, making it scratch resistant and able to survive drops of up to 2 meters. The IP68 waterproof ratings. The bottom you can see there's a SIM card tray. This is a dual SIM guys, but there is no any expansion slot for micro SD card or anything. So it's only the storage is the inbuilt storage, you cannot expand it. Then there is a Type-C charging port and here is the speaker. Speaker is a dual speaker guys, here and in the top as well. On the side, there is a power button and the volume rockers, then there is nothing else. And here's the noise cancellation and mic with the speaker, it is inbuilt, that's it. Then there is a missing 3.5mm jack. The colors are very vibrant, it's punchy colors, and there is a deep black also. I can show you some photos also so you will understand how the black is. See here, the black, have you seen? The black is fully black. It's very nice. This super screen, it is very good for watching the contents, YouTube's, videos, movies and other things. Also when we are playing games also, this screen looks very awesome guys. And also it comes with 120 Hz of refresh rates. By default it's 60. So it will be very buttery smooth guys when you are switching to the applications. Apple iOS like of quick panel. Here the brightness level says it is going to 1800 nits in the peak hours. Visibility in the sunlight. You can set the sunlight special mode as well in the videos when you are playing, so it will not cut off. Even in the side you can view, at the same time you can view in the full screen as well. Screen display, there is a small punch hole for the selfie and here is very thin black bezels running through, and it comes with optical fingerprint sensor. It is placed here and it is working very fine out. The audio experience, definitely I have to mention here, it comes with Dolby Atmos. Sound clarity is you will enjoy the music. In the device itself, it is giving a very nice sound guys. The Note 13 Pro Plus 5G is powered by the Dimensity 7200 Ultra and the performance is very strong and better. This device which I am reviewing, it has a 258 GB of storage. It is internal storage only, you cannot expand any storages. Web browsing in this device is very comfortable, I can say. So nice. So when you see here, more than 8-9 tabs, it is opened, so quickly you can switch it. So without any lag it is opening and downloading files, even the movies and heavy graphics site I can say. And these letters are very crisp, very clear and very crisp enough to read it. Quick side panel multitasking, and so you can keep it anywhere. Any number of tabs you can open. And battery power, I can worth mentioning here. It will be charging this 5000 milliampere battery. Less than 30 minutes it is charging with this 120 watt charging adapter comes with this device. It's very good, very good. So you don't have to worry about the battery dry out. So you can enjoy your full this device experiences very nicely. The vibration effect is very good, guys. It will be very useful for you when you are playing games and when you are typing messages, letters and things like that. So it's very responsive, very nice. It comes with Wi-Fi 6. You can connect and Bluetooth 5.3 and NFC also. You can use it for the mobile payments. Telephone features and call quality. Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus 5G with 2 nano SIM cards, or you can use one eSIM and one nano SIM. There is no any expandable storage as well. The phone delivered good call quality during telephone calls and quite effectively suppressed the background noises. Our voice was transmitted clearly when using the loudspeaker as well. So telephone call quality wise, it's very good. Then we are coming to the main part, camera. This comes with triple camera setup, 200 MP main shooter, 8 MP ultra wide, 2 MP macro shooter, 16 MP front camera. There is a lot of camera modes, 200 MB and 12.5 MB. 12.5 MB by default you can shoot any photos, and 200 MB also you can easily switch to take your photos. But only difference what I find is it is 200 MB photos are occupying a large space, 10 times more than the normal photos, more than 10 times. In the normal photos it is occupying a 5 MB, but 200 MB photos occupying 50 MBs. The photo difference wise, when you enlarge it with your computer or with your phone, you can see very clear details in this 200 MB photos. And you have to note one more thing, 200 MB photo to zoom in up to 2.5 range. But in the photo mode, zoom in up to 6. Front facing camera, you can shoot with 1080p or 720p with the 30 frames per second. Pro mode also, you can shoot photos with 200 MB also. And there is some additional settings available here. Then this is the short film mode. There is pre-customized formats are there. By using this one, you can take some short videos very nicely, and timelapse videos you can shoot with screen off. To save your battery, you can do that if you are doing a time-lapse videos. Slow motion videos you can shoot 120 frames per second with 1080p or 720p. Long exposure, use this pre-customized to take your shots. And video also you have a lot of options. You can shoot either 1080p or 4K or 720p. Steady video also you can shoot with 1080p only, not a 4K. Photo HDR mode you can shoot, macro you can shoot, AI camera is there, 2 MP macro shooter, that is not good at all. Voice shutter you can enable from here as well. Tilt, shift. Then portrait mode, the few options are there. Aspect ratio you can set timer, voice, watermark. Night mode, so we came to the end of this video. What do you think about this device? So far, my opinion, 200 MP camera doing very good job, and night photography is excellent in this, and battery capacity is very good for gaming and day-to-day life usages. It is wonderful purchase, I can say. I purchased with a discount price of $250, but it was introduced in $400. But I don't know how is the rates in your region. So if you are using this device previously, let me know your experience in the comments below. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next interesting video. Until then, bye bye. Take care.